So today we have here once again my wife's Suzuki SX4 S-cross, which is running perfectly fine, so we're going to try to destroy it. No, but seriously now, this car has 101,000 kilometers on the clock, and it has never replaced the spark plugs. And replacing spark plugs is a good preventive or preventative maintenance procedure, because if the spark plugs start getting old, it stresses the electrical components. So we're going to try to do that, and to do that we need to remove this airbox. What? Können nicht? Okay. And yeah, we need to remove this airbox from here, and then we have the coils. We'll just pop them out and see what we got. So to remove the airbox, I've looked on the internet. What we have to do, we have a screw here. We have this hose clamp, another hose clamp here that we should remove. This screw, some this electrical plug, this tube or whatever. Is something holding it? I don't think so. Oh, here we go. It's out. Seems like a pressure sensor or something. And yeah, let's see what happens. So the hardest part of the job is already done. This airbox is out. I almost broke this this part here, pulling this off, so I pulled it straight up, as you should, because of those pins there. And I hit this here, but at least it doesn't look broken for now. Maybe, don't know. But now it's easy peasy. Now the hardest part is done. We just have to get these coils out of the way, and we'll have access to the spark plugs. If you have a small vacuum cleaner like this, you can vacuum the small debris out to avoid that it goes into the engine. Otherwise, compressed air is also an option. Pro tip to get these connectors off. I really like this type of pliers, because you can get a lot of force vertically directly on these pins, and then it's really easy to push them out or to pull them out. The coils are off. We're almost done. Now we just need to get our spark plug tool, get those spark plugs out of there, and see what they look like. I'm kind of excited because this engine is starting to burn a little bit of oil, so let's see what a 100,000 kilometers old spark plug looks like. Let's see what's coming out of here. It was a bit weird. It felt as it was getting tighter as I was unscrewing the spark plug, so I was a bit concerned. But now it's almost out. Let's see how it looks like. It's not out yet. Come on. Is it out now? Yes. Starting to get a little dark, but I think overall it's in pretty good condition. It's a good sign. So the engine, I would say, still has some life left. Awesome. Okay, I'll get the new one. By the way, we can see here, I think it makes sense to replace this. It's getting a little burned off there. Yeah, so we have a new one here. This looks a bit better, I would say. It's a really long thread, so I understand now why it took some time to unscrew it. Okay, new plug ready to go in, supposedly pre-gapped, so I'll just leave it like this and see how the engine is running. It's going in without any effort, which is nice, because we don't want to cross thread this. It would be a very bad day. Okay, yeah, it's properly in, I mean. I'll do the same for the rest, and I'll get back to you in a moment. Brand new spark plugs in place. Now I'll just do the reverse of everything and show you everything tightened up, and then start the car together. Everything is back to the way it was. Now let's just give it a go inside. I think everything is back, right? Yeah, there was not much to begin with. So let's see what happens. Do I have the keys? I think so. Car is in neutral. Hey, it works. Fantastic. There you go. Good preventive maintenance. Cheap if you do it on your own. If you go to the shop, then it's maybe not so cheap. But yeah, there you go. Spark plug replacement. Take care. See you next time.